aggregated node. For example, that he is telling us, is telling us about that dual hub. That means the entire traffic of OLT will be going through one C1. If any OS is having another C1 which is nearby, then we can create the, if one C1 is having a rebooting or some issues, the entire OLT traffic will be rerouted via the another C1 towards the BNG. So that we should have a dual home like structure. We should have a BNG should be, the uplink to the BNG should be from a two different C1 router or one C1 and one B4 also. Yes, so it's not necessary that it should be a C1 router. We can have in the B4 also. So that we have to confirm that the consolidated traffic should have a dual hub topology. That means the one consolidated traffic of 4G has to be, if it is down, it has to be routed via the another node. It may be a C1 or B4, which is nearest to the SCR router. If it is a OLT traffic, then we have to confirm that all the OLTs create consolidated traffic going via in one C1 router. It has to be duplicated in that nearby B4 or C1 router, which is nearer to the BNG. So that we have to ensure it. Any configuration, any clarification, any doubt, you can discuss with Teja's team, and then we have to ensure this one, because we should not dependent on the single router for the entire service. And also that is it possible, if any BA is having more than one SCR router, then that the consolidated traffic 4G traffic will go to one SCR router, that other the hub the dual hub will be going to the another SCR router. It is not that both has to go handshake to the same SCR router.
Sir, hello.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Sir, how to check the services working or down? Supposed to be in 3G spoke we created no services. How to check from MAAN that 4G site is pinging or otherwise checking back like that? Also in OLT, how to check it is working? Supposed to be it is we will check MAC uplink downlink. Otherwise some way how to check. Suppose if it is down means why it is down, can we check the tunnel like that? What in CPAN we are checking the route, one place it is get down, we are modifying the route, it is okay. In MAN how we are going, how we will check the service down due to fiber cut or else anything? If it is possible to change the route like in CPAN, you please tell me, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, my
ஓஎல்டி கிடைக்கலனா ரெண்டு பாட்டாக பிரிச்சுக்கிங்க. ஒன்று வந்து ஓஎல்டிலேருந்து நமக்கு ஆக்சஸில் நோடில் கனெக்ட் ஆகலை, அது வந்து கனெக்ட் ஆகிருக்குதா அப்படிங்கிறது. இன்னொன்று பிஎன்ஜி சைடில் நம்ம அதாவது மான் வந்து ஆக்சஸ் சைடில் ப்ராப்ளம் கிடையாது, சிஓன்லேருந்து பிஎன்ஜி சைடில் ப்ராப்ளம் கிடையாது. அப்போ வந்து இந்த பக்கம் பிஎன்ஜி சைடாக இருக்கலாம், இல்லைன்னா ஓஎல்டி சைடாக இருக்கலாம், இல்லை நம்ம சைடா அப்படிங்கிறது அவங்களுக்கு அதை தான் கேட்குறாரு. ஓஎல்டிக்கு மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஓஎல்டி தான் விபி எல்எஸ்ஆ தானே கிரியேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அப்போ மேக்கடி ஓஎல்டி மேக்கடி வர முடியும்.
Sir, you asked from Chennai, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chennai, sir.
This is your Chennai router. Okay. This is your hub router in Chennai, hub router. So IP interface brief. So whatever you have the permissions, I'm using that. So there is here lag port is there. Okay. This is for MME. Another lag port is there. My screen is visible, right? So MME lag and HGW lag. These are there. OME also is there. This is the OM there. So I'm just telling. So IP route VRF question mark safe rack VRF safe rack VRF. So here we are getting rack information. So there are multiple routes are coming because we have connected wherever it is coming. So I'll tell you which is our, yeah. You can see here there is a C and B. C means directly connected. In this router, it is directly connected using that particular VLAN. If B means it is using border gateway protocol BGP. We are getting that route from BGP. Okay. So I am getting the BGP routes. So many BGP routes are there. So here, right. Yes, sir. Lalo. Okay. Sir, here we can see these are the routes. Okay. So I'll just enlarge it. These four five routes are this. I'll here this first 120 up to 128. It is for we are getting these routes for safe rack management. Okay, via work only your safe and rack will manage to your RAN EMS, and these two routes, two routes for your UBR and DMW management, and another BGP routes. These are these 206 and 140 these things. So IP interface brief. So here we have connected lag. You assume this is at 205. We are getting routes from 206. The 206, which is 140.206, is your SCR interface IP, and 205 is MAAN interface IP. So via this 206, we are getting the RAN EMS routes. Using this routes, whatever you have connected, I am selecting no, whatever you connected the node with will manage via here. So how do we check? You can assume this this cluster, this is a your enode B cluster, one gateway. This cluster is connected via 10.126.37.12. 12 means that is, I mean 12 is a one of router. I'm opening that router. 36.12. So IP interface brief. So what we have selected, so here this is a 128. We may be configured as a 129. Here it is there, right? Safe rack 106 129. This IP we have configured here. So this also it is coming from 12. Okay. So here, so IP route VRF route. So here we are getting these routes. So whatever we got from here, we are getting these routes from SCR interface, that is transferred to MAAN in IBGP into the MAAN another spoke router. We are getting this all routes. You are seeing this, I'm just selecting here, I'm just grab. Here you can check these routes, and here it is there. Okay. And the same thing, all four routes are we are getting from 206, and it is transferred to 37.2 service IP. Here we have received these things. First we have to check. From here we have to ping VRF name. Ultimately first we have to reach their NMS. Okay. So count 5 source. If you can put a source also, first ping without source if it is not come. So IP interface brief, any one of the Ceph gateway IP source. Okay. So right now also it is timed out. So this not their NMS IP. So for RAN NMS, the IP is 132. So this we have to get it from our RAN team. So this is pinging. So now whatever that cluster, this cluster is there, no, whatever this cluster we can see. So IP ARP VRF. So first thing we have to check the VRF, whether ARP. ARP, if it is getting you can say, you can see this is the 10 192 42 81. Here 82 is there, 83 is there. These two VRF, these two eNode B definitely will reach to RAN EMS. Okay, using this gateway only we are pinging this server IP, so it will reachable. Okay, first we are checking the MAAN, eNode MAAN gateway to MAAN spoke router to eNode B EMS. Okay, it is reachable, so they can able to reach the eNode Bs. Okay, so now if it is not the first step, first you have to check, so IP ARP in the VRF, whether our listed eNode B IPs are present or not. Okay, if you target, if they are telling 10 192 48 82 eNode B is down, I'm unable to reach, I'm unable to check. Okay, it is down, HW is down or anything down, MME is down or unmanaged. So that time we have to check, we have to know that particular eNode B where it is connected, which router it is, which spoke router it is connected. So first check that, and from there we have to put the so IP ARP VRF name in that. So we have to find out whether that Ceph IP is coming or not, whether that eNode B IP rack IP is coming or not in the ARP. Okay, if it is come, Then we can ping VRF using that VRF name, and then that particular eNode B IP count 5 or 10. It is pinging from MAAN router. Your eNode B is pinging. After that, from MAAN